We turn the May from the spring into love, and it grows, boy, even when the sky is gray, and it shows, boy, even on a cloudy day.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, we're curling this unit that I have in from AfricanMall / Jurllyshe. The company's information will be down in the description box. This unit was pre-made, has combs, adjustable straps. It's a 3x4 lace frontal wig, and it's 180% density. It's straight. Oh, and the color is T1/27, I think. Let me look. No, it's T1B/27. Okay, so I did end up lightening this hair. I'm gonna leave a video that shows you exactly how I did that and other little things that I did to get the wig to look like it looks right now. So I'm going to leave that down in the description box, so make sure you check that video out. I felt like the hair was like easy to curl. I used my Coffin curling iron. I believe this is a 1 inch, and I had it on the highest setting. And it felt like it was really easy, but once like I got done with the last side, I could tell that this side had already began to fall. So I will say that this hair does fall. If you're planning on curling it, you might have to use some hairspray, or if you want it to really curl and hold a curl, then you might as well get like a body wave texture. Okay, at the very least. So if you are someone who's looking for just like straight hair and you're not going to really want to do anything else to it, then I would definitely recommend this unit. I am totally living for this like 10 minutes of curled hair because it is absolutely freaking pretty. I just love this look. It looks so effortless and just so easy, like you really didn't do nothing. Okay, but you slaying. This hair is extremely good when it's straight. I freaking love it, you guys. And I love the fact that I put chemicals in this unit and it still is so freaking soft. I'm not having any problems with shedding, matting, tangling. There is one thing that I forgot to mention in the first video, and that is in regards to like the cap size. I usually wear an average cap size, and I have a 22-inch circumference, and I will say that like ear to ear is a little bit off. Okay, so if you are like anal, if that's gonna like bother you, then I would definitely size up, okay, in the cap sizes. I'm gonna show you exactly where it's stopping on me. Literally right here. It's like a centimeter too short on both sides. Like it's almost there. You can easily finesse it if you do like the baby hairs, like right here, like the sideburns. You won't really be able to tell, but other than that, the cap does fit really well. It's just the ear to ear thing. But we are done here, so enjoy the clip, okay? And I will check you guys out in the next one. Bye.